First we're gonna remove this. You just pull it up. Wrap. If you have a heat gun, that will help you a lot. It will be way easier. Just heat up the wrap, and then it'll be easy to take off. It's still gonna take a lot of time, but it's gonna help you a lot. It'll be more easier than. It's coming off. I barely am putting coming up really easy. Just by pulling it, it's coming off. And then slowly you're gonna work your way around the car. Without the wrap. And it's cold, it won't come off. It's gonna come out by pieces. As you see, I've tried already. It came out by pieces. So that's the wrong way to do it. I'm gonna show you. See, it's really hard to take it off. This wrap has been in my car for about 2 years now, so it's time to change it and put a new one. This one's coming up, but at the end it's just gonna break. Then we'll do just like that.